My younger brothers, how will they feel? Because they look up to me. They believe I'm strong while I'm weak. They believe I'm a superwoman. They have no idea of what I'm going through. Okay.
Not knowing not understanding where suicide really stems from or where the suicide actually did come from. And you don't talk about suicide, you don't say that because it's like a taboo. It's against our African principles, our cultural experiences, it's against our spirituality as Africans and as a community at large. But we're also shying away from the fact that it is happening. I'm talking from a perspective where I've lost like 3 friends to suicide, where I've personally attempted.
Mostly they go through situations such as rape, unemployment, loss because of death. They abuse drugs and alcohol because they think that it's their coping strategy.
Ile motho a diketso di ntle haholo le yona motlhatla ya tlanwa tšhefu o ya tla mona ga mme go sane o tla utlwa tse bohloko kapa tse monate a tšho jalo ntate ke bona ka ona o go nanane ka thata gore batho ba tla re ke sitwa go nka ka leka go motlhokometsa go ipolaya se thagololo ngwanaka go ipolaya ga se go gagolola bothata go ja empe o la mpolelela ke le mme wa gago ko o thuse go jagisa bothata bone ga ebe ke kgona go thusa.